one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome to another edition of Cast Iron Wednesday. It's actually not Wednesday, but I shoot in advance. Anyway, I'm making a meal that I saw on a Facebook ad. I was just scrolling down. The thumbnail caught my attention because it looked good. And then I watched the video and it's like, wow, that looks really good. So let's go ahead and we'll make it. And then I'll show you what I've got going on. Alright, so we got some pepper bacon, which I have in a pan. Gonna crisp that up. Water for my pasta. Cast iron Dutch oven, which I'm gonna put, I think, Dutch oven? Yeah, I think Dutch oven. Cast iron enameled pot where I'm gonna cook my chicken. And then once that's done, show you what's up. Or what's next. Alright, pan feels hot. Here's my chicken. Put in some, I was going to get fresh garlic, but I'm not going to be cooking again for a few days, so I just decided to go with that. What do we got in here? We'll add some bacon salt, because why not? Not too much, because I'm gonna have bacon in here. So, cool. What's that do? It's smash. Okay. Bacon is done to my liking. I don't have anywhere to put a hot pan. Alright. So I'm making about 3 meals, so this is just spaghetti. About one. Maybe about 1.5. Spaghetti is one of those tricky things. It's like easy to put too much in. Alright. Chicken's looking done. I need to get that out onto a plate. Oh. Look at my... Oh, shoot. Can't find my pasta. Alright, got my mushrooms going. I'm going to go ahead and call it. They look done enough. Where's my spoon? There we go. Get these pulled out. going back in at some point. What I'm going to add in here now is butter. Good knob of butter. And then add some flour. Stir that around. Turn the heat down to medium. Oh, that's good. Then I've got is heavy cream. Which I should have opened ahead of time and didn't. So heavy cream. I may just go ahead and put the whole bottle in. Just screw it. And that will be our sauce. And I'm going to add the chicken and mushrooms back. Got a little, don't want to lose any of that flavor. Alright, I've also got one whole head of parsley. I'll put the bacon bits back in there. Check my pasta, it looks okay. Get a nice stir. Now I've got a lemon. I'm going to zest and also squeeze the juice in there. So, let's see. Oh, it's not done yet. Alright. Basically zested the entire lemon. And I'll put all the lemon juice. A little tip, when you squeeze your lemon, just squeeze it over your hand so you'll catch the seeds between your fingers. It actually doesn't look like there's a lot of seeds in this one. Well, lemon's a little hard. The entire lemon. There we go. Alright. Pasta is drained and done. Go ahead and kill the heat. Stir all that in. Nice. One last ingredient, mozzarella cheese. You're going to dump the whole bag right on top. It's a little solid, but which I forgot to take the pan out. Probably just until the cheese is melted. Well, so I had it in 350 degree oven for just 10 minutes. Although thinking about it, I probably had enough residual heat in there from the pasta and the pan and everything else. I probably could just put the lid on and it would have melted on its own. It looks good though. I don't know about the cheese. I was following the recipe. I may not have put cheese in it, but let's so yeah, by the way, it's hot in here. Probably a weird day to make pasta being so warm out, but you know, whatever. I think if I was going to do this again, I would use just regular whipping cream or regular cream, not the heavy cream, and then also yeah, probably not put the mozzarella on there, or just use a lot less. I think it actually only called for about 1.5 cups. So. Wow. That's really good. Surprisingly good. I like that a lot. I'm gonna go sit down and cool off, change shirts. So, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the playlist for D Native Tears in the description, along with Shovelhead 8. And I'll try to link the recipe video, or the recipe in the description, so you can check it out if you want. And as always, have a good one.